thank you. That's seriously dirty water. Not too bad. That's gonna be a little bit loud in the night, but yeah, well, it's nature sound. I don't care how I sleep, if it's a little bit crooked or whatever, but it's for the fridge. The fridge doesn't work when this is not right. So we're a little bit forward, which is good. It needs a little bit like this and a little bit like that, yes. And yeah, it's actually pretty good. The fridge wants an angle where the caravan is tilted forward and a little bit to its right side, so like that, and then the fridge works perfectly. If the caravan is tilted like that, I need a lot of right side movement. The other way around, it doesn't work. Then the cooling material doesn't go into the cooling. It's ammonia, by the way. Oh, a waterfall. Oh, it doors waterfalls. You're gonna go swimming, eh? Come. Hey, hey, hey. Nee, nee, hier. Hier. Hey, hier, kom. Nee, nee. Hey, stop. Uh-oh, now I need to watch out. Because he jumps in, eh? Wat is dat allemaal, jongen? Pas op, hè, joh. Pas op, hè. You can't leave the dog without a leash here. Pretty clean water. He needs to sniff every single pole. He has a little bit of work to do. I was laying in bed here. It's 8:40 and I like to see some Shears episodes at the moment, or some episodes, or reading a book or whatever. And I checked the weather for today and tomorrow. Today I can hear it, maybe you can hear it. It's extreme rainy, and this is only the first part. So it's gonna rain for 2 or 3 hours, and then it's gonna stop for half an hour, up to an hour. And then at 3 o'clock this night, it's gonna rain 3 or 4 times more than this. And last week there were huge floods here. There is a huge lake here, and we're standing here right next to a waterfall and a stream. I'm a little bit higher than the stream, that's for sure, but if it's flooding, it's gonna go over it. And tonight there are people barricading doors in that house that is right next to me. So maybe these are all signs that I need to go. I think I can't take the risk. It's 8:30. I just go probably to the next stop. I'll check first the heights, because I was checking the heights here on this little app, pointing those dots, all those dots, and the red dot is me, and I'm on this dot is a little bit lower than me, but all the rest is higher, and then it starts a little bit lower again. See, 927, so this is higher. And here is that lake I was talking about. And it's 1,000. So this is still all higher. 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 That's where I am. 930. See, this one is a little bit lower. 927. 927. And then this one. And then a little lower. And then the higher again. So this is a valley. So I'm actually in a really bad spot. I need to go. I can't trust it. It's not worth it. It's just not good to stay. I'm in the deepest point between. Wait, let's take one here. Another one. 9. No, that's lower. That's lower. See, this is all higher, higher ground. It's all higher. So I'm in a valley. I'm right into a valley. I'm not gonna stay here. It's too dangerous. I'm not so sure what's gonna happen. And for sure not that they barricaded doors. They came and welded stuff closed. I'm gonna run. I'm just gonna put on the clothes back on. The dog, the leash. I'm gonna lock the doors again. Oh, I need to do dishes first. Oh, yeah, I need to do that. Yeah, that's my first job, doing dishes. Go check the river, and then I check the next step out and how high is this. That's because it's gonna rain for maybe 20 hours now, with ups and downs. And the highest is this morning at 3 or 4 o'clock. So no, this is too dangerous. I'm not so into. I've seen it, and I'll check the newspapers. When was the last flood? That was last week, I think, or was it longer ago? Wait, and I checked the area, and it was my area. If you can see that, that's normally the Terra River. That's the river I'm now at. That's the Terra River. I'm at the Terra River, Wait, because I forget always. Rio Terra. It's probably the same. No, I'm not gonna stay here. The Bibere, Alta Sanabra, so there are a couple of rivers, but this big one, also the Terra River. No. I'm not staying here. I'm gonna do dishes. Let's go check that river, just to see. I think we're okay here though, but when you hear the stream and you know that the water is gonna be, the rain is gonna be 3 to 4 times harder.